To remove the magnets from the rail, take precautions due to the powerful neodymium magnets. Ensure safety by wearing gloves before slowly detaching the magnets to prevent any potential finger injuries caused by the strong attraction force. If the door is hovering too far above, with the gap exceeding 1 mm, because there are an excess of magnets, you can resolve this by removing magnets from the middle of the top rail while leaving the magnet in the track untouched. Insert the flat screwdriver beneath one end, carefully lifting it, and then pull it out gently. Reinstall the magnet and position it at a 45-degree angle to touch the bottom of the rail. Secure the top with a flat screwdriver, release your hand, then withdraw the screwdriver, allowing the top of the magnet to lie flat. Maintain magnet balance at both ends. In case of an extra magnet, position it in the middle of the rail. Protect a magnet by wrapping it individually in cardboard and avoid placing magnets near each other within a few inches, as their attraction can cause them to fly in and snap together. The resulting debris from shattered magnets could potentially cause injury.